Hi, this is the HUAWEI Nova Y91 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So open first the settings, tap to Wi-Fi section. To activate Wi-Fi, click on the switcher. After that, you'll see here all of the available networks. Select one from the networks and enter the password. After that, you could tap here to this eye icon to see the password, then just tap to connect button, wait a second, and we could see that our device successfully connected to this network. To turn on Wi-Fi, you should click on the switcher once again, and that's it. Also, we got one more way how we could do that. Just open the control panel and find here the Wi-Fi icon. To activate Wi-Fi or to turn it off, you should click on this icon, hold for a while this icon to launch full Wi-Fi settings. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.